Hello and welcome to the space of being empowered. I, Dr. Kasturi R. Naik, is ready to share your weekly inspirational segment with you. Today's topic is boost your empowerment factor using the two sure success steps. The first step is to replay your trust tapes. Okay, so whenever in your life you feel that your empowerment factor is going down from the level of being on 10, if you feel you're coming to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, you need to replay your trust tapes. So what is this trust tapes? Okay, if you go back 3 years, 4 years, 7 years down the line, there might be certain scenarios, certain circumstances in your life where you might have felt that achieving this particular thing is not possible for me. Getting into this challenge seems to be like a dream which will never become a reality, and you went into it, you conquered it, and that dream actually became a reality. If I were to share about me, there was a period when I was just I got a call for one of the training program, and I came to know that 5,000 plus trainers have applied for the same. So I said there is no use going and giving this particular interview, because 5,000 plus trainers, and I was just 1 or 2 year old into the training industry, and I hardly had any training accolades at that particular time. So I thought there's no use going for the interview. But then one of my friends said that go for the interview, just consider it as a mock interview and give it, and be very, very authentic. So I just went, I gave the interview, I was very authentic. I told them as I was nervous when I was coming here and everything. And you won't believe I got selected. Yeah. So now, whenever my trust factor or my empowerment factor is going down, and when a big challenge is there in front of me, I see those pictures from that training. I see those recordings from that training. I have it on my mobile, on my laptop, in a frame, in my bedroom. So whenever there is a challenge and I feel this is not for me, I remind myself of that particular situation. So you can select certain pictures in your life where you felt this is like a miracle which has happened and it became a reality. I thought it is not possible in my life, but you have conquered it, you have got it, and now if you go back and see, then you feel, oh my god, what would have happened if I would have never tried to do that thing. So that is what is your trust tape. Okay, so replay it. Second thing which I do whenever this empowerment factor need to be boosted in under the replaying of the trust tape is, I'm a fan of Bollywood music. So there are certain songs, like Ashaye from Iqbal, or मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाते चला गया. So these songs are some motivational things for me. So I just keep on hearing this song the entire day till my trust factor and my empowerment factor comes back to normal. So you can use that for your for just boosting your trust factor, because it works. Music also works like wonders for our senses and boosting up our trust factor. Yeah. Now the second step, the first is replay your trust tape. The second step which you can do generally is where these trust tapes are not helping you, where reminding yourself of those challenging scenarios which you have conquered, or humming these songs or listening to these songs are not helping you, and there is a huge contrast happening within you. What is this contrast? Contrast is when outside everything is perfect, when the scenario and the circumstances are the way you want, but inside something is telling you that no, you need to explore something, you need to learn something, you need to educate yourself more to conquer something. That is when the contrast is there. So remember, the second step is that this contrast is existing not as a problem, it is existing as an opportunity. The contrast within you, when there is disharmony, when there is misalignment, when there is fear, anxiety, these emotions are telling you that there is something which you can maybe achieve, or there is something which you need to vent out, let go, and you're not doing it, because of which that disharmony is there within you. So whenever a contrast comes, just stop, slow down, take a breath, process the possibilities, ask yourself why this contrast is coming, and please put it down on paper and try to get answers why this contrast is coming in your life. Like for me, public speaking was one of my anxiety and fear factor, and that used to always lower down my empowerment factor, you know. But when I saw this contrast as something to explore, something to educate myself into, I came to know that public speaking can be one of my strength, and it needs to be my strength. I have information which can transform people, and if I keep it within me and not share it outside, it is going to create the contrast within me. So that contrast gave me an answer, gave me a profession, you know, and that is now my life, I can say. So are you understanding? So whenever a contrast comes, that's the second step. Or if you want to boost your empowerment factor and a contrast is coming which is lowering it, always listen to that contrast. Try to understand what is it trying to tell you. That anxiety, that fear, that doubt is telling you something to explore, telling you something to engage into. Yes. So I would just end by saying that whenever a challenge comes in front of me, generally what I do is I tell that challenge that okay, if I cannot handle you, who will handle you? I am there and I am going to handle you. I don't want you to go in anybody's else life, because generally when challenges come, what we say, why me, why me? No, I tell the challenge that yes, you have selected me because I have the strength, I have the resilience, I have the toughness to conquer you. And when I've conquered the challenge, I share my experience with everybody and tell them if I have done it, you can. And there is a way to do it. Like today I shared with you replaying of the trust tapes and listening to the contrast, trying to understand, considering this contrast as an opportunity and learning from the contrast. That is misalignment, fear, anxiety, doubt within you. So, you know, that's all for this segment. I hope this information was useful. If it was useful, please like, share, subscribe to this particular channel. And if you're listening to this on Facebook or LinkedIn, please share this particular video with your friends. Bring them in our empowerment circle. See you again. Take care. Stay protected. Bye.